Okay. Uh, this is a sort of quick video about this thing you see in front of you. It's something I just whipped up the day before I made the video. And if anyone has seen the video where I built the battery adapter for my Stout pipe cutter, I decided I wanted to build a something that would convert it into like a bandsaw. This thing is very hard to control to make precise cuts if you're just holding it, and they do make a stand for it, although I don't know if it'll fit this one. They make one for the newer ones, but yesterday I just decided to kind of throw something together, and it just sort of built on the fly. And apparently I should pay attention to what I'm doing when I'm pointing the camera, because that was pretty far off there. But anyways, so let's go back to this thing. This is just a piece of 2x8, and it's just got some pieces of aluminum bus bar that are put there so that when you mount this thing, it doesn't slide back and forth. These are Simpson strong ties, and their purpose is to hold it steady. And the bolt there is to fix a problem when even though I drilled these screws, pilot drilled them, it still blew out the side here, and I had to epoxy it back together, and then I put this in here to just make sure that it never blew out again. So let me set this up and show you how you connect it. Okay, so of course the first thing you got to do with this thing is you have to take the battery off, because we don't want this thing accidentally doing anything. The next thing is that I drilled, after figuring out exactly where I could do this, I drilled a hole in the switch, and now I can put a pin in it so that it's on. And then I also rerouted the wires in here so that I could drill through it and put this bolt in here. And so the way this works is you just set it in, and unfortunately this is the only way to do this one. You then take a bolt and put it through here, and that's it. It doesn't move. The next thing you do is you take this battery that I have these Anderson power poles on, and that's hooked up to a power supply. And the power supply is controlled by that foot switch. So it's right now, if it's on, but it won't come on until I hit the foot switch, like so. And then it's a two-position foot switch. You press it once, turns it on, press it a second time, turns it off. And so then I've got a piece of aluminum bus bar. So let's see if I can do this. And that's it. And it works great. The choice of green was purely because that happened to be a can of paint that I had that was just partially empty, and just wanted to use up. Had just enough to paint this, and this video is just showing you how it hooks up. Oh, put that back where it won't fall off. Okay, so you can see, like I said, it's on here pretty good, and since it's on my vise, this is where I would probably be using it. I can turn it any which way I want, and just remove it the reverse of the way it was put on. That's it. That's quick. Total build time, probably about an hour or two. I didn't really keep track. And that's it. It's just, these were basically, I just cut this out, fit it in here, and then I just put these up against it and as tight as I could, marked the holes, drilled them, screwed everything in, and it works great. Thanks for watching.